Hello, my people. My name is Patrick Lumumba Ashford, and I teach people how to make money online in a few simple steps. Subscribe down below if you're a new viewer on my channel. Alright, and like the video, give it a thumbs up if you find value in it. The reason I've made this video is to show you how easily you can gain 1,000 subscribers within a shortest period of time. As you can see, my first video, I have 2.5k views just 1 hour. All right, 1 hour ago I've scored 2.5k views. How did I did that? All right, let me show you how. Nowadays, the easiest way on how to get subscribers is to keep on uploading YouTube shorts, because people find it easily to watch short nowadays than a full video of 30 minutes, 40 minutes, and 1 hour. All right, so if you are struggling to get 1,000 subscribers, give it a shot. Try YouTube Shorts. All right, and I'm telling you, you are going to turn your channel into a miracle channel. Today I've tried it, and I've got some few subscribers on my channel that I was just trying. Actually, I was just trying. I went on TikTok and I uploaded one video of Mo Salah. Mo Salah tried to score a goal, but he failed. All right, so I uploaded it on my YouTube, and I was like, how did Mo Salah miss this goal? All right, just 1 hour ago I've scored 2.5 views plus some subscribers. Guys, this is simple, this is easy. All right, this is easy. You can do it too. If you are struggling to get 1,000 subscribers, you can do it too. It's the easiest way how you can get that. All right, so let me take you to my where I see what the video have made for me in terms of like the outcomes of the subscribers. All right, let me take you to YT Studio. You can download it too, YT Studio. All right, YT Studio. So this is it. All right, when you have just logged in, this is the dashboard, this is the interface of it. You come and click on how your first video, the one you want to check the analytics. All right, so how did Mo Salah miss this goal? You click on that. All right, so you go on view more, click on view more. We need to see the analytics of this whole shot that we uploaded of recent. We have 3.4k views. Okay, let's scroll. We have watch time we have 9.1. Now let me tell you, YouTube short will not make you a lot of watch time, because we're uploading within some like minutes, seconds. So this seconds can't make you 1,000 watch time hours. All right, our main goal is to gain subscribers. So and sometimes when you're uploading those YouTube shorts, make sure you put something like subscribe down, so that each viewer, when he has done with viewing whatever content you have uploaded on your channel, it's easy for him to subscribe, because you have instructed him to subscribe down for more videos. All right, so on this video, the YouTube short that I uploaded 1 hour ago, I have 9.1 and 9.8 watch time. And if you scroll, I have 4 subscribers, man. 4 subscribers. I didn't ask anyone to subscribe on this channel, but I have 4 subscribers. All they came from my YouTube short that I uploaded just 1 hour ago. This is crazy, man. This is crazy. You can do that too. Now the trick is here. Let me take you back to YouTube. Now YouTube, you know that, you should know that there are a lot of people right now who have channels, and they are competing with one another. They need viewers, they need subscribers, they need people to comment on their videos, they need people to share their content. Now you need to put a thumbnail if it comes to a long video, but a short video, these YouTube are short. What you need is a title, eye-catching title. I bet on you that if you come across how did Mo Salah miss this goal, I believe you would love to watch it to see how did Mo Salah miss the goal. All right, how did he miss the goal? How did Messi miss this goal? All right, so it attracts you to click on that video and watch it. So you need to put to put a good attractive title, right? Title to get like viewers. So within the viewers, 1,000 viewers, at least you get 50 or 20 or 30 subscribers on your channel. It's the easiest way how you can get 1,000 subscribers on your channel. If you're struggling, you can use the strategy. I've tried it, and man, it has worked for me. Man. If you can upload YouTube shorts 3 times a day, let me tell you, 3 times a day, you can gain 1,000 subscribers within a shortest period of time. All right, so that is a trick, that is a strategy that I've come up with for those who are still struggling to get their first hit, their first threshold of 1,000 subscribers on YouTube, to move to the next level. You can use this strategy. I remain Patrick Lumumba Ashford, your man, teaches you on how to make money online. Please subscribe down on this channel as I keep uploading more videos, more content on how we can build a good community on how to make money online. Thank you so much. Bye bye.